Hey, Amanda and friends of the podcast. It's me, Rasheed Hamid, CEO of ExtraHands Virtual Assistants, and you are back with B2B with ExtraHands. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can use a virtual assistant to leverage your finances. Not going to take a lot of your time today, but I think a lot of people might be overlooking a very easy way to use a virtual assistant in helping you with your day-to-day business finances. I've got three very strong examples that I want to talk to you about. And the first one is tax filing preparation. I think a lot of people overlook this, especially this time of year, the importance of having your receipts gathered and organized, your invoices, your financial statements, all of the things throughout the year that you're going to need to hand off to your tax preparer are things that a VA can do for you while you're still handling your day-to-day business functions. I think a lot of people would be surprised about the amount of hours that you can gain back and focus on running the day-to-day business while a VA is focused on this very important necessity, right? You can also use a VA to prepare documents to send to your accountant, ensuring that nothing gets missed. And the benefit, of course, is reducing that last minute tax season panic that we've all experienced and helping to maximize deductions, right? So don't lose track of the fact that a VA can absolutely help you prepare for this tax season. The second example I want to talk to you about is just bookkeeping, day-to-day bookkeeping. Your virtual assistant can handle tracking income, tracking expenses, reconciling accounts, processing invoices. They can use tools like QuickBooks, Wave, Wise. A lot of people are using Square. Anything that you are using on a day-to-day basis now, your VA can use those tools to keep you organized on a very day-to-day basis. And this is just a standard bookkeeper. We're not talking about a CPA. We're not talking about a high-level accountant. We're talking about an affordable, approachable virtual assistant. What's the benefit? Well, again, the benefit is this is going to provide you real-time insight into your financial health. It is going to help you make informed decisions financially and give you a true snapshot of where your business is in terms of being healthy or unhealthy financially. The last thing I want to talk to you about is using a virtual assistant to prepare fiscal budgets. What do I mean by that? Well, you could have a virtual assistant help you analyze your past spending patterns. You can have a virtual assistant help you project future expenses. They can also assist you in creating realistic and actionable budgets tailored to your goals, whether it's quarterly goals or annual goals. And the benefit here is just as obvious as everywhere else, right? It keeps you financially on track. It helps you allocate these resources effectively, and it gives you, again, that healthy snapshot of where your company is financially. So don't forget, this tax season, this year, this quarter, 2025, whenever you think about it, these are how you can use a virtual assistant, a VA, to leverage your finances on a professional level in your business in a day-to-day atmosphere. So keep these things handy and give us a call if and when that need approaches. And we look forward to seeing you here on Amanda's podcast next week. But don't forget, ExtraHands Virtual Assistants, we've got your back, we've got you covered. We look forward to hearing from you. Amanda, thanks again for having us and have a great show. Bye, guys.